Businessman granted $1.5 million bail on charges related to cocaine seizure and also $5 million US that was seized by the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Oral Johnson, the West Poland businessman who was charged with the historic 24-pound cocaine seizure in Coral Gardens, St. James last month, has been granted bail in the sum of $1.5 million. Johnson, a 43-year-old resident of Coral Gardens, appeared in the St. James Parish Court last week. He is charged with the offenses of possession of cocaine, dealing in cocaine, taking steps to export cocaine, and trafficking cocaine. As part of the bail condition, Parish Judge Shasha Ashley ordered Johnson to report to the Whithorn police station in Westmoreland on Fridays and Saturdays. His travel documents were seized and a stop order has been placed at all ports of exit. The case is to be mentioned again on July the 7th. Allegations are that on Tuesday, April 26, Johnson was driving when he was reportedly stopped by the police in Coral Gardens, St. James. During the search of his vehicle, the cocaine, with an estimated street value of US $550,000 or Jamaican $82.5 million, were allegedly found inside the vehicle. Johnson was then arrested on a reasonable suspicion of breaches of the Dangerous Drugs Act. During a subsequent operation, a search was conducted at a premises that is reportedly owned and occupied by a man named Mr. Bingham. A search was carried out at the premises located at Tornado Drive in St. James. This led to the seizure of an additional quantity of illegal drugs, along with cash amounting to US $3.8 million and Canadian $30,000. Bingham, alias Presser, remains at large despite being named as a person of interest relative to the massive cash and cocaine seizure. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.